Hello, welcome. This is Caitlin. This is our product, the control valve. Interested? Please follow me, okay? VCI anti-rust bags. This is label, show my logo. If you want to print with your own logo, please contact us, and we can supply, customize the services like the logo, the label, the packaging bags, and so on. Product code F00VC01023. The application model number 045110081, 045110125, 045110231, 045110336, and this part is the QR code. Open it. This is the inside part. Yes, for our product. Actually, we have two kinds of packages here. Talk about this one. This is the whole side. We also sell the separate parts, like valve cap with coating and cover letters, valve rope, different size and lengths. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all. Yep. 3 tips want to share with you. First, clean it with oil. Second, make sure the valve cap in the right position. Third, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Yes, talk about warranty. Our product, we have the 6-month warranties. Okay, that's all about this product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you guys.